So the video I was watching online, he used a ping pong ball and he put potassium permanganate in the ping pong ball and put tape over the top. Carries that with him like in his backpack. And then he has a container of glycerin. He just pours it in and then it self-ignites. So we're going to give that a shot, just like he did. Okay, so here we are putting some potassium permanganate. I really should be using a funnel, but I don't know where my funnel is. So we're just going to make a mess. Okay, so I have my paper in my burn barrel ready to ignite. Poured the potassium permanganate in there. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the glycerin in with it. All right. We'll see if this self-ignites as advertised. Try to get away from the smoke. I don't know if it's something you want to breathe. Okay, it's on fire, as you can see. So that's a fun way to ignite your burn barrel. You don't have to carry a lighter, you don't have to have matches, you just have to have your 2 containers of chemicals. And here we have the fire going, and we'll see if it continues to burn. And I think I'm going to try the same thing in just a medicine container and see how that compares to the ping pong ball. Okay, so I got another medicine pill bottle, if you will. Gotta get this lid off. I'm going to pour some potassium permanganate in there. Okay. Put that in my pocket. Now I'm going to pour in some glycerin. Here's the glycerin. Okay. Oh, you silliness. That's interesting. That time it didn't ignite. Just smoked. Boiled and smoked. Interesting. I don't know if it was not constrained enough or if there had to be as much quantity, even though I didn't actually measure it. The bottle melting and falling over obviously affected it. Okay, so now I'm going to try without a container. And see how that does. Okay, so I'm going to try pouring the powder out on the box and then pouring the glycerin on it. That's interesting. It's just like running off. There it goes. That worked pretty well. Don't have to carry a lighter now, just have to have potassium permanganate in one container and glycerin in the other and mix the 2 together and off you go to the races. Okay, so now that didn't really work that well because it was on top of the box. So now I'm going to try pouring it see if this works. It itself ignites, but I can't seem to get the cardboard to burn with it. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to go let my dog out. Violet, what you doing? Rick had some men trimming a tree, and today they were cleaning up the mess. They were raking and putting it in their truck. And of course, once Violet saw that, she had to run over and help them. And so Rick was glad to see her. But I had to put her in the cage so that she would not be in their way when they got time to leaving. When I picked her up to carry her off, she about clawed my head off because she didn't want to go. So that's not good. Yeah, I'll see about the training.